Driveway mechanic here, working on a 1.4 diesel Fiesta again. This one had a bit of a diesel leak, failed on the MOT. Couldn't find it and took the head off, or took the rocker cover off. Found out it was one of these little O-rings. This is the old one. One of these little O-rings at the end had gone bad. So Ford sell this little unit here for about 22 quid. And the way to get the old one off is there's these little spring clips. These little spring clips. And you just push them back a little bit and then get a needle nose pliers or something and pop these out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this long one goes up here somewhere. When you're taking it off, you'll see where that came from. Looks quite hard to get at this, but it wasn't too bad in the end. Rocker cover sits on like that, and you've got this, the cover for the timing belt. So you take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those 5 off. This bit here sticks in, so you've got to like work that out. Pop that off. If you take the water tank and just push it to the side, gives you enough room to get at that. Then the air box comes off. Quite easy for this. 1, 2 screws. Take this pipe off the front. 2 screws there. Pull that one that goes around the back. There's a plug. A few other little things on that. Then that's the first thing that pops off. Get that out of the way. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8mm bolts. That one, 2 10mm down at the back. Pop these plugs off the injectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop them off. And this bolt here holding the diesel filter housing, and the one down in the hole there. Them two. That just pops off. Put it to the side. I took this pipe off, and now I probably didn't need to do that really. Just to pull these things out of the way a little bit. So when you've got all of those off, so that pipe off there, take this big one off. This filler there, Jubilee clip. Undo this 8mm. This twists, pops off, out of the way. And this thing, once you've got all those 8 off, cover off the end, 2 10mm. This is sitting there, and you've got to wiggle it off. I found those 4 at the back, which went into there. It was quite tight. It needed a lot of wiggling. Just keep wiggling, then eventually it came out. So then, yeah, I could see it was leaking through these O-rings. So change that. Be very careful with these little spring clips. Just push them back a little bit, because one popped off and they're like 6 quid a clip. So while I've had this off, I've cleaned it up as good as I could, and I'm changing this gasket here, which can be a cause of a lot of oil leaks around the head. That was about 20 quid from Ford. These ones should be okay. Just clean them up, got all the carbon off them. So I'm going to stick all that back together, and Pretty sure that will stop the oil leaks. Apparently Ford said these are a very common thing that goes, so yeah, if there's a leak, there's a good chance it's coming from one of those O-rings. Right then, any questions? Put them in the comments.